there's anyone who's living down at Shell Harbour, you are so lucky to have someone as the calibre of Mr. Robert Cooley there. Rob, I've known him for a few years now. He's an 8th Dan in taekwondo. He's a 4th Dan in Hapkido. And he's even a black belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So just being a black belt in BJJ is impressive enough without all the other accomplished over the years. So if you're down in Shell Harbour, go see the guy. He is absolutely brilliant. You will not go wrong under his tuition. He's a grand master in the true sense of the word, probably one of the most experienced martial artists in Australia. So do yourself a favour, get in contact with him and get yourself training.